What if I told you Pinterest could send thousands of visitors for months from one single pin or post? No dancing around, no being on camera, no having to wait to go viral. And yes, people are making real money from it. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 legitimate ways that people are making money on Pinterest in 2026, including a method for beginners that you can start immediately. And make sure to stick around for number 5, because this is one of the fastest ways to get started and making money immediately without even having a large audience. I'm Matt Taylor, and I make money online as a full-time YouTuber and full-time blogger. And I have used Pinterest quite a bit for the last 5 or 6 years to drive traffic and to earn an income. Most people think Pinterest is just a place where people share like wedding ideas, or they share like what their favorite clothes are that they wear, or maybe recipes. I use it for recipes, but Pinterest is much more than that. Pinterest is also a powerful search engine where people will use that to search for ideas, search for help, search for how-tos, and search for products. Okay, so let's walk through the 5 best ways to make money on Pinterest in 2026. Number 1 is through affiliate marketing. For those of you who aren't familiar with affiliate marketing, what you do is you have an account with a partner. For example, Amazon is a very big partner in the affiliate marketing space. And then you create a special link on that platform. So here we go, here we are on Amazon. And that link is a tracking link. And then you use that link in your posts. And what happens is someone clicks on that link, and then they go to that platform and they buy that product. Sometimes even like with Amazon, even any product within 24 hours, you will get a small commission on that sale. Sometimes it's 2%, 5%, 10%. It all depends on the platform. And so people are making a lot of money with affiliate marketing. And you could contact companies directly and ask if they have an affiliate program, and then set up an account with them. I have done that with several different individual platforms, not just Amazon. And a lot of times you'll make a higher commission with those individual platforms because they would rather sell with you directly instead of doing like a go-between and use like Amazon. For example, like in my case, in my food blog, what I would do is I would link to, let's say there's a special air fryer that I really love to use. I make a video about that air fryer, and then I put a link to that air fryer, an affiliate link down in the description. And so if people click on that to go and buy it, I get a small commission on that sale. Now with Pinterest, you can't put affiliate links directly on that pin. So what you need to do is when you create the pin, you need to send that to a landing page. So in my case, let's say I wrote a post, a review about that air fryer. That pin would link to that post, and then in that post I would have that affiliate link, and then you can click on that to buy the air fryer. Again, so you can't do direct affiliate links right from the pin. That could get you banned on the platform, so make sure you are not doing that. So make sure it sends it to like a product page, a landing page, or something like that. And then post your affiliate link there. So on Pinterest, you need to make sure that you have a Pinterest business account, and then you need to find some affiliate programs. The Amazon Associates affiliate program is one of the easiest to start with. They don't necessarily pay the best, but they are a very easy one to start with. Affiliate marketing is a popular and very low cost and easy way to start making money on Pinterest. Now let's move on to number 2, and that is sending traffic to your blog, a website, or online store. So Pinterest is really, really good at generating traffic. And for me, Pinterest is my number 3 way that I get traffic to my blog. First is through Google search. Second is through direct contact or direct links to my website. And then number 3 is Pinterest. So Pinterest sends more traffic to my website than Facebook, TikTok, and even YouTube. And I have a really big following in all 3 of those locations, but still, Pinterest sends more traffic than those 3 places. And so what happens is like I will have a pin for like some kind of recipe. Maybe it's like a, I don't know, crepes recipe. people will click on that pin and they'll send them to my website. And then over on my website, I will have affiliate links. Maybe it's for like something like a crepe pan or crepe skillet. And then also there'll be ads on my recipe, and then I'm going to be generating income from those ads. Also, maybe that'll be a way that I'm collecting email subscribers over there on my website. And then I have an email list where I can send out my recipes, and then also I can send out my product reviews with those affiliate links. And then that's just another way to get my affiliate link out there in front of my audience. So bottom line, more traffic from Pinterest to your website or to your online store just means more opportunities for people to click on your affiliate links, to see display ads, and etc. Next, we move on to number 3, selling digital products. This is a very good low barrier entry way to sell digital products that you create. It could be templates, it could be like little ebooks, things of that nature. You could house them on Amazon, or you could put them on a store like Etsy, or you might have just an online shop on your website. And then you can create a pin around that digital product, and then you send them over there to sell your product so they can buy your product. So it's a very powerful way to make money and a very low barrier way to make money on Pinterest. And the reason why digital products work really well, because it's a very searchable item. People might be searching for, I want to find a meal planner, and then you have a meal planner for them. Or they might put in there a budget spreadsheet, and you could have a budget spreadsheet that you sell. And that when they search that term, it could find your pin, and then they click on it, and it takes them over to the landing page where you sell your budget spreadsheet. And the cool thing is once you set it up, you can do it again. You can create several different pins for that same item, and maybe one of the pins will rank higher than the other or just do better. And it's just a really good way to sell your digital products. Next, number 4, and that's through brand sponsorships. Once you start developing a big following on Pinterest, brands will reach out to you and they will pay for you to create a pin to promote their product. And you're going to be sending traffic to their product. And a lot of ways that brands will do it is they might pay you an upfront fee to do that, as well as maybe they will have an affiliate program that you can join as well. So brand sponsorships are just a really, really good way to get your information out there about that particular brand. And they really like working with influencers and things on Pinterest, just because Pinterest is still a very viable platform, especially in those niche for like home renovation niches, and the fashion niche is really big, clothing, and things like food and recipes. Those are all really big in that space. And it's a great opportunity to build up some brand sponsorships. And now that leads us to number 5. This is probably the fastest way to start making money without an audience on Pinterest. And that is through being a VA, virtual assistant, or Pinterest manager. So you really, really need to know your stuff when it comes to Pinterest. But then what you could do is you could offer your services to run that side of the business for someone else, for a different company. So there could be a small company that they don't want to do Pinterest, or they don't know how to do it. And then you could sell your services, your knowledge of creating pins and creating the right type of content to drive traffic to their website. And then they will pay you to be that virtual assistant or that Pinterest manager for them. And so that kind of becomes like a job for you. So if that's the type of thing that you are looking for, you can start making money that way. And the great thing about this strategy is you don't have to have a big audience yourself. You just need to know your stuff when it comes to creating pins, scheduling pins, doing keyword search, pretty much all things Pinterest. And you could take courses out there to learn how to do all that stuff if you want to go that route. So in conclusion, those are the 5 top ways to make money on Pinterest: affiliate marketing, driving traffic to your blog or landing page or some kind of online store, selling digital products, brand sponsorships, and becoming a Pinterest manager or virtual assistant. Pinterest is still one of the more underrated platforms for generating money online, but it's a very, very powerful tool that you should keep in your tool shed or toolbox when it comes to making money online. And like other platforms, it will just continue sending traffic for months and months and years to come, as long as you don't delete those pins. Now I'm curious, out of all these 5 strategies, which one are you the most interested in doing first? Let me know in the comments.